Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we learn how to fix this. Allowed memory size is exhausted right by locate mode. So basically, in this, the allowed memory size in the php.ini file in my machine localhost is less than the file I'm trying to upload on the server or on my website. So let's try to fix this. I'm on WAMP server and I'll follow the step for this, and you just need to find the php.ini file in your case if you are not using WAMP. So I'm on WAMP and I'll go to PHP and then PHP.ini, then click on this and find memory limit. So in my case, it's 128, and I'll increase this to 0.024, and I'll just save this. Out of save, you have to restart the server. Server is restarted. So you can see the issue is solved. So you have to increase the memory limit in your PHP file in your localhost or the cPanel or the server. Good luck guys, if you have any curious question, feel free to comment, subscribe and like the video.